everyone. How are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Today's topic is all about dreaming. Yes, you must heard about daydreaming. You must have heard about all night sleep dreaming. But have you heard about lucid dreaming? Yes, lucid dreaming is a kind of therapy which is used to achieve our goals. Yes, the famous scientists such as Albert Einstein and Tesla have used these lucid dreamings to solve certain kind of problems, or to when in their research they are falling down or something like that. They used to have lucid dreaming, and in that they will find out the answer, and that is the solution to their problem. Yes, it is a very old tool which is nowadays coming into our life as dream yoga, or as we can say that even dream meditation. Yes, here I can say that earlier the and nowadays also the Buddhist people, those monks are using till date lucid dreaming to achieve the inner wisdom. They improve their imagination with the help of lucid dreaming. So basically, what do you mean by lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming means you are awake in your dreams. Yes, that means actually you are sleeping and you are dreaming, but you are aware of it that you are dreaming. That is, you know that you are right now not awake, you are in the sleep, but still you can remember what is happening, and you can make certain changes, you can achieve certain thing, you can dream about whatever you would like to have. So these type of lucid dreaming is used to improve productivity. They are used basically to avoid getting rid from the fears or some kind of phobias or traumas. So so it is known as lucid dreaming therapy. The psychologists and all that, they used for the children's and the adults who are going through that insomnia, where they cannot sleep at night, because as soon as they got into the sleep, their dreams are filled with monsters and all kind of stuff which do not let them sleep. So there they use this lucid dreaming to get rid from these fears and all that. So I can say that there are various types of techniques which can be used to which can be applied to learn this lucid dreaming. And from that, one of it is known as WBTV, that is waking up before the actual time. That is, whenever suppose you want to actually wake up at 5 o'clock, then what you do, you set an alarm 1.5 hours earlier, that is around 3 or 3:30. Then as soon as the alarm wake up, you got out of your sleep, but after 10-15 minutes again you go to sleep. Then when you do that, now your brain is in certain kind of state which is known as gamma state, where you can now use your dream to achieve certain goals. And the latest example, or I can say the real example, or the example is the movie Inception. In that movie, Leonardo DiCaprio has used this lucid dreaming to achieve whatever his goal were. So we can say that not only dreaming or daydreaming, but lucid dreaming is the thing which we has to carry out, or we has to learn in a certain way, I know it will take some time, or sounds to be, little bit out of the blue. What is this, and how can we use this? But you can just research about lucid dreaming, and you will come to know that lucid dreaming is actually once in our whole life. We must also have been gone through that we know that yes, we are dreaming, but how if we can use that to achieve our goal? Isn't it great? So let's learn certain things about it. Let's just research about it, and let's use this lucid dreaming as a tool to be successful, to be happy, and to achieve our goals. So I hope this information has helped you to, to move a step towards your dream life. So I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much.